Uh, Good morning, guys. And this is a presentation on uh, Chart.js, Grails, and Qt. Getting started with. Okay. So I basically have highlighted my computer's terminal. I'm using Ubuntu operating system. So first, I'm going to install a Sublime into my computer. Install Sublime, then Grails and stuff like that. Okay. So let's see. How do I install it? So super. So now we got a Sublime working here. So as you can see, I have installed these. I have got the Sublime into the repository, and yeah, it's 21% complete, 98%, 100% complete. Wow! So now I am ready to install Sublime. Ready, set, and go. Yippee! Okay, fine. Similarly, we have to install Grails. So I installed Grails using GVM. So GVM instruction can be found in Grails website itself. So if you are using for Windows also getting started guides have been found at the Grails website. So no props. So for this application, we are going to use, yeah, so we are done with this. So we close this. We're going to start another terminal. Yeah. So we have installed a Sublime editor. So yeah, so let's see how we're gonna start this. So ignore this terminal for a while. Now we're gonna download Chart.js. Mhm. So I am going to this website. So I'm just going to download this. That's it. So download this and just save the file. So it's done. So I'm going to extract into a project file. So extracting here. So it's done. It's awesome. So now where are we going to go? See, we got a chart JS here. As you can see here, you got some samples here. Go to the sample and just check through every one of this. So okay, where shall we start from? We'll start from donut. Okay, I like donuts. So we'll start with donut chart. So this is how a donut chart looks. So these are the color representations. These are the donut chart. Okay, I guess you guys are not able to see. So I clicked on donut chart. So this is what I got. Yeah. So as you can see here, you got the values here. Let's try to read the code. So this is basically done in JavaScript. So so this is how a donut chart looks. So next, let's see through this. As one more chart. Donut chart. So donut without color. Default colors in donut. So that chart. Then you have a line chart. So this is also used for analysis purpose. Then you have a line chart with custom tooltips. Okay, fine. Then you have a pie chart. So apart from this, what else you have? Pie chart with custom tooltips. Then what else you have? Polar area chart. So another is a radar chart. Running, workings, drinking, sleeping, all this type of stuffs. So okay, this is only a chart.js things, so you can go through the code. Basically, it will have some values and things like that. So okay, now I want to just start up with Grails. So we are done with this. So don't. So now, okay, we are going to start up with Grails. So what does Grails do? Hey guys, so we're gonna start up with Grails as well as Qt. So knowing both Grails and Qt is an added advantage, but experting one is a very good thing. So if you know both, it's ideally good. Okay, if you know one the best, okay, as usual, fine. So now I'm going to go to my terminal. So now I'm going to go to my terminal and I'm going to create a Grails project. So okay, so I already installed Grails in this. So Grails app. So I'm going to create an app called Chart. So as you can see, it's running the application. So I have installed Grails 2.5 in this computer. So we're gonna explore both Grails 3 and 2.5. So not a great deal. Yeah. So we got a chart. So we go inside this chart CD CHART chart. Then we have to run Grails command line. Grails. So as we run this Grails, so it's configuring the class path. Blah 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 blah. Good. So there are basically two commands in yeah, maybe a four commands in Grails. So I'm going to create a controller. Controller is in database base sense it's table. Okay, so I'm going to create a table called create controller chart. Let's see, is the command right? Okay, domain class. No. Yeah. So this is the script. So my application name is chart. So my domain class name is also a name. Also, I have named it as chart. So I would have got a chart.gov file ready inside this. Okay. So yeah, just it is getting formed. Cool. Let's see. Hey guys, as you can see, so I have opened this chart folder in Grails in Sublime Text Editor. So as you can see, these are the folder structures: Grails app, library, script, SRC, target, test, web app. Okay. All these are unnecessary. I'll see what is necessary. So in this, you have if you open this Grails app, you have asset folder, configuration folder, controller folder, domain folder. So initially in terminal we created a domain called chart. So you can see here. So is it available there? Let's see. Yeah, it is available. So we got a chart.gui created. Good, very good job. So before doing anything, you just want to run and see the basic application. Run app. This is the command for running the application. Grails. Okay, what's happening? It is running. Fine. Come on, baby, run fast. Because I have opened a lot of applications, so I'll close these things. Okay. So the domain only creates a table in Grails. Come on, baby, have fun fast. You're making a sky. Yeah, sometimes this happens. Okay, wow, we got a URL. And so I'm copying this URL, pasting it on Chrome. Come on, Chrome, baby. So right now I'm using a low configuration PC. So that's why you have a huge delay, everything. But still fine. We can work on things. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come soon. Yeah. So yeah, this is what you get in a default application. So now let's manipulate rest of the things. Okay. So what I promised you is I'll integrate chart.js with this Grails application. Let's see how do I integrate it. So before I integrate, let's understand how does the chart.js work. That's the main thing. Yeah. So let's see through static templates. Okay, let's play with donut chart. It'll come soon, don't worry. This PC has only 2 GB of RAM. But my another two PCs have 8 GB. But for next session we'll use that. So see this guys. So this is what. So you can see there are four values. So value of the data, then color, then on highlight what should be the color, then label. So all these, so this can be used as an expression. Integer. Okay. So there are plugins from JS Grails. So you have this Zing chart, Bing chart. So I don't prefer these things. Okay, we'll create a static template out of it. So yeah. Mm. So first let's create the values necessary for this. Mm, where's it? Where's it? Yeah. So first thing will be a value, obviously. Just copy paste this. Then we can so so this is going to be an integer. String. So another string. Yeah, another string. That's it. So these are the values, integer values, blah blah blah. So label we put in first. Okay. Super. So meanwhile we have to stop the app because it will slow down the performance. Stop app. So it's a compiler based application. Compiler based applications are generally slow in a less amount of data, but they are very very fast in large amount of data. So there's no doubt this is the best application. So meanwhile, I'm going to take this chart.js folder. So for chart.js, what are the things we need? So I decided to make this donut chart. Okay. So it has to have for the chart.js. Right. Okay, cool. Copy this. Go to my Grails folder. Go instead of Grails app, we have to go inside web apps. So in this web apps, you have to paste this. That's it. So we can access to our URL also this thing. Let's see what's happening. Chart. Rename it as rename it as master. We'll name it as chart master because our control will be named as chart. So chart master. Let's see, is it coming? Master. It won't come this way. Let's see. Put on this, it will come. Oh, we have switched it off. Right. So run this application. So this is very much simple. So variable data, download data. So we are it's a 2D chart. So we are putting through this. In this div, we are putting this. That's it. Nothing much to work or even think. Okay, it is happening. The game is about to start. A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, meanwhile, let's see. Have some fun. Yeah, we are done. And chart master. Is it available? No. How come no? Let's see. It is not available. So see, it is available. So this is chart.js. Let's see those samples and all. Samples are also available. So we are able to access it. So that means we have installed it in the right place. Okay, let's see what else we can do with this. So what am I going to do is I'm going to generate all. So generate all is used to create a CUD basically. So for now, if you see, you don't in views, you only have a layout. You don't have a chart and all, as you can see. As it does this generate all. Okay, domain plus not found. So we have to add the application name, and then the dot chart. So what will be your domain name? You have to start with caps. So we're going to generate all. So we got it generated. So as you can see, friends, now we got a new folder for chart.js. So you have a form to create, edit, and show. Let's run and see. So how does it look? Okay, we already have this kind. So creating an application is actually based in this. You have nothing to worry about. All fatafat. Superb. Okay. See, we got a chart controller. This chart controller, we can create a data color, highlight, value. Okay, let's get creative. So we can use this chart for to-do list or for an estimate. All this blah blah blah, whatever. So this is what you get. You can create a new chart. You can update a new chart. So okay. So the only color I know well is hash table F. Okay. So hash table F is white. I guess. F double zero is either red or yellow. Label red and yellow. It takes 1 hour to complete. So 1 hour. Okay, the value is one. So one. So you can edit these values. You can list these values. It is listed here. Hmm. So now it's a time for creativity. Let's kill these things. Okay, we're gonna play with this a lot. So I'm gonna copy paste this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a donut chart. Okay, So is it getting faded? Blah blah. Super. So I'm gonna copy this and put on the header of this document. So URL is going to be, this is going to be the URL. So we have placed it on index.control U. So it is coming right. So it is coming right. It is good, 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 very good. ठीक है. No code working. So we're gonna create a folder. Copy paste this. That's it. So we're gonna create a static template of this chart first. So before these tables and all these stuffs, it's too big for this. So let's make it small. Why is it too big? Chart areas. So it's 500, 500. So let's make it 300. So I said, so what could be the reason for this? Okay, we'll do a thing. We'll take this layout off. So we are taking this layout off. Wow, this is just all. I am asked for such a huge chart. So yeah, this much big chart. So what's happening here? Okay, so this basically you see this template is a reset template. For that reason, it doesn't allow. So it doesn't take this width and height into account. We'll make it this way, 80%. Oh, it's gone. Oh, was better. It's okay. Let it go. So, so this is how the chart's gonna be. So you guys are gonna do this twerking, HTML5 twerking, making it small, making it big. That is your task, not my task. But for now, I'll show you how this chart works. So I'm gonna place dynamic value in this. Now it's having a static value. So instead of static value, it's gonna have a dynamic value now. See, same G each you're gonna take. Now copy paste this. You're gonna use this here. So we're gonna remove all this TDPD stuff and all. Yeah. So we don't need this I anymore. So we're gonna remove that off. Status I. Yeah. Let's see what are we gonna get. Okay. So nothing is getting from, but are we getting the value? So that's the question. So we are getting the value. Red and yellow. One. Cool. That this is the thing which I expected. So there should be a. So now instead of this, we're gonna place some values. So the last thing would be a placeholder. We should. So for each new values, we have to get these. So we'll replace. So we'll bring this thing within this. Yeah, see what's happening. Color. Well, this is just what. This is what I expected to have. Okay, no props. Look at this. So we got our dynamic values on. Yippee! So instead of 300, we're gonna make it as 0. Let's see. See, I written yellow. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So as we insert newer things, you get a lot of new things. Color hash F 0 F level. Some color. Maybe I'll take 4 hours. Hey, wow! Ding, 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 ding. So we got a chart ready. Yo. Okay, guys. I hope you loved this thing. This session. See, twang, 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 twang. Having a lot of fun. Okay, we'll put some more things. We'll put CAT. Cat. So what is cat? At? Edit colors. So, okay. So these are going to be your next. Changing this is going to be your creativity, not mine. So, yeah, yeah. Wow. So yeah, I hope you loved this session. So actually, right way to all these are done. So everything's working fine. So right way to locate this chat.js is different. So we have to use a different syntax and do it. Okay. Resource Grails. So Grails is simply superb. Already done a project. Let me check out that document. It is layouts, maybe. Okay, I'll get you the right method to install. Okay, guys, I hope you loved this lesson. Okay, so Grails, we're done with Grails, and next time I'm going to show you with. So thank you. So next, in the next part, I'm going to show you with Qt, the same thing.